Hello my dear students, lecture number 3 for 12th standard, part 2. Chapter number 1, differentiation. Question number 2, exercise 1.1. So, under root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 given. So let y is equal to under root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx of root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 2 root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 and derivative of d dx this e raised to 3x plus 2 upon 5 plus 5, and now therefore dy dx is equal to 1 upon 2 under root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 and derivative of this, so this is e raised to 3x and derivative of this 3x plus 2 plus d dx 5. Okay, now is equal to 1 upon 2 under root e raised to 3x plus 2 5 derivative of this 3 e raised to 3x plus 2 derivative of this is equal to 3 plus this is a constant, so 0, and therefore dy dx is equal to 3 into e raised to 3x plus 2 upon 2 into root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Okay. Question number 3. Log tan x upon 2. So solution, let y is equal to log tan x upon 2 differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx of y. Now is equal to, first you take derivative of log 1 upon tan x plus x upon 2 and derivative of tan x upon 2. So is equal to 1 upon tan x upon 2 into derivative of sec is equal to derivative of tan is equal to sec square x upon 2 and derivative of x upon 2. Okay, so this is equal to sec square x upon 2 upon tan x upon 2 into derivative of this is equal to 1 upon 2, and therefore is equal to 1 upon 2 into this sec square I convert into cos square, so cos square x upon 2 into this tan means cot 1 upon tan, that is cot is equal to cos x upon 2 into upon sin x upon 2, and if you simplify this you will get is equal to 2, this cos and one of the cos get cancelled, 1 upon 2 1 upon cos x upon 2 into sin x upon 2. So you know the simplification of this is sin 2 x upon 2, and therefore this is equal to 1 upon sin 2 into x upon 2, and this is what this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, so it is sin x, and sin x is nothing but what, cosec x, and therefore dy dx is equal to cosec x. Okay, then question number 4, root tan root x. Okay, let y is equal to root tan root x differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to du dx d dx root tan root x, and is equal to, first you take derivative of root, so 1 upon 2 under root tan root x and derivative of tan root x. Okay. And therefore dy dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root tan x root x sec square root x and derivative of root x. So is equal to sec square root x upon 2 root tan root x into this derivative of this is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. And actually derivative of x is also there, but that is dx, so that is equal to 1. And therefore dy dx is equal to sec square root x upon this into this 4 root x into tan root x. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 5. Cot cube log x cube. Let y is equal to cot cube log x cube. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx cot cube log x cube. So first you differentiate cot cube, this cube, cot cube. So dy dx is equal to 3 cot square log x cube and derivative of cot. Okay. So derivative of this is what important step. Derivative of cot. First you differentiate cot cube and then you differentiate cot. So therefore d dx cot root log x cube. Now 3 cot square log x cube into bracket. Now the derivative of cot is negative minus cosec square log x cube and derivative of log x cube. So this is 3 cot square in cot square log x cube into cosec square log x cube into, now derivative of this is equal to derivative of log x cube is equal to 1 upon x cube and derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square. Okay. So this is what slightly complicated, more functions are there. So and therefore dy dx is equal to 9 cot square log x cube into cosec square log x cube into 1 upon x. Okay. Question number 6. 5 raised to sin x plus sin x cube plus 3. Okay. Sin cube x plus 3. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx 5 sin x cube, not sin cube, sin x cube plus 3 is equal to, first here you use formula a raised to x. 5 sin x cube plus 3 log 5 and derivative of sin cube x plus 3. Okay. Now is equal to 5 sin cube x plus 3, this as it is, log 5 into bracket derivative of this is equal to, first you take derivative of sin cube, that is 3 sin square x and derivative of sin x and plus derivative of 3. Okay. So is equal to 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 into log 5 into bracket 3 sin square x into derivative of sin is equal to cos x, this is 0, and then you write down dy dx is equal to 3 sin square x into cos x into 5 sine cube x plus 3 into log 5. Okay, now it is slightly complicated, so go through this video again and again so that you understand. Okay, and the practice is what very important. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.